Hey, let's check it out. Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip number 162. Hold on. There we go. Is that a sunrise or a sunset? Put your answer in the box below. Look at those kids swimming at the sunset, surfing at the sunrise. It's a sunrise. Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip number something. There's a lonely fisherman. Hey, catch a fish. Look at it. Is this beautiful or what? All right, let's go back to the sunrise. Oh, dolphins? Come on. Sunrise first, then dolphins second. I see dolphins. I can't do it. I can't give you the tip. This is too much. There's a dolphin out there. Look at him. Oh my God, dolphins. Oh, that's my high voice. And there's a sunrise. All I did was roll out of bed, walk down to the beach. Water temperature's about 85. Look, I wish you could take my word for it. There they are. The school of dolphin right here. Forget the dang tip. Let's enjoy God's creation. Sunrise. School of dolphin. I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know how to do that. Oh, I just learned something new. Here's the school of dolphin right there. Right there. I don't want to miss that. Look at here. That's beautiful. Oh, there they are. Look, I'll keep the camera still. I want you to tell me if you can see them. In the comment box, say, yes, I see dolphins, or no, I don't. Be patient. You know how dolphins work at the ocean. Down the ocean, hon. Be patient. Meanwhile, right over here is a stunning sunrise. Back to the school of dolphin over here. The Lord is blessing us this morning. I'm going to go move because the school of dolphin the pod is moving. P-O-D. What's the school of fish called? A school of fish. What's the school of dolphin called? A pod. It's usually a family like mother, father, son, daughter. Why not? They're mammals, intelligent, just like we are. I guess we'll do this. Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip number 164 is the following. Get out in nature. Green forest, beach, stunning, glorious sunrises, magnificent clouds. Get out in nature. It stimulates the brain and it makes you creative and it makes you appreciative and it makes you grateful. And all these things, guess what? Stave off Alzheimer's. So here we go. That's good. We're going to wrap this up. Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip number. Look at the surfers. 164. Get out in nature. I do forest bathing. In South Carolina, we got a lot of green, subtropical jungle-like vegetation, palm trees, ferns, and it's dense. Reminded me of Portland, Oregon. Dense vegetation, different kind though, but dense, green. All that. They're breathing in carbon dioxide. There's plants in there expelling oxygen. I breathe in oxygen from the plants and expel carbon dioxide. And the cycle continues. There it is. I think I'm going to say goodbye because the school of dolphin have swum up. The pod of dolphin have swum away. Yeah. Nuclear. I just made a word up. Nuclear. Swum, S-W-U-M. Look it up. I see them still, but you can't. They're far away now. All right, y'all. So Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip number 189. Get out in nature. Every day if you can. And look at these stunning clouds up in the sky. Out on the horizon. We'll say goodbye to the sunset real quick. Sunrise. Make sure you're paying attention. We'll count us down now until we meet again with another Alzheimer's Prevent Defense Tip. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. Have a great day. I'm off to my great day already. Sharing it with you.